Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to split first and last names that are in one column, into two separate columns. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do, is right-click on the column to the right of the names that you want to separate. Next, select Insert. Excel has inserted a blank column, to the right of the name column. Rename columns, A and B, as first name and last name as shown here. Select all of the names that you want to separate. Click on Data. And click on Text to Columns. Next, you want to click on Delimited. Click Next. You now want to deselect the tab box and select the space box. Click Next. Click on Finish. If you get a message that says, "There's already data here. Do you want to replace it?" Click OK. Your first and last names have now been separated into two separate columns. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.